In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these tea towels using a Cricut and iron-on vinyl. Hi, I'm Jen, and if you're new here, I am updating my 1970s home into a cottage farmhouse in the city. So I share projects that I do around the house. Enjoy! I started out by printing out these designs on my Cricut and then needed to take all of the vinyl off to show the wording. This takes a bit, but totally worth it. There are 4 designs total, and if you want to download the file, I have the link below. You can totally download and print it out with your Cricut as well. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I post 3 times a week.